Hello, I'm Jay. I've been living and teaching American English in Japan for 15 years. I started English Life to help others with their English pronunciation. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you 3-letter phonic blend sounds with the letters dge, igh, spr, str, and tch. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice English together. Let's give it a try. J, badge, judge, bridge, I, night, right, light, spr, spring, spray, sprout, strong, string, stripes, catch, watch, kitchen, Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I have other videos on English pronunciation here. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.